Welcome students. Today we are going to revise the topics. Let us see each topic one by one. What is a function? Functions are nothing but the group of related statements that performs a specific task. Advantages are it avoid repetition and make high degree of code reusing. It provides better modularity of your application. Now, types of functions. User defined function. These functions are defined by the user themselves. Built-in functions. Functions that are built in within Python. Lambda function. Functions that are anonymous, unnamed function. Recursion function. Function that calls itself is called recursion function. Now, when you want to create your own user-defined function, you have to follow these two steps. First one is you have to define the function. Second step is calling a function. Now we will see how to define a function. Usually the function block begin with the keyword def followed by function name and parenthesis. Now this is the syntax for defining a function. First line is def, function name has to be given. Within the brackets, number of parameters has to be given. Next line is the block of statements to be executed. Usually function will return some expression or none. Function defining statement should end with colon symbol. Python keywords cannot be used as function name. Now let us see this example. Here def hello is the defining function. Print hello open close bracket is the function call. So this program has one statement and returns null value. When you execute this program, hello Python will be displayed and none statement will be displayed. Passing parameter in a function. First we will see what is a parameter. These are variable used in a function. Arguments are the values which are passed to a function. Now, this is the syntax for passing a parameters. Def, function name, parameter separated by comma. Now see this example. Def, area is the name of the function and it has two parameters. What is anonymous functions? Anonymous function is a function that is defined without a name. It is defined using the lambda keyword. Syntax lambda number of arguments expressions. Uses and functions of lambda function. Lambda function is mostly used for creating small and one-time anonymous function. It can be used in combination with the functions like filter, map and reduce function. Lambda function can take any number of arguments. It must return one value in the form of an expression. It can access only global variables and variable in the parameter. Next one is return statement. The return statement causes your function to exit and return a value to its caller. The return statement in a function takes input and returns something. Any number of return statements are allowed in a function. Syntax is return expression list. Next one we have is scope of the variables. We have already studied about the scope in scoping lesson. The main two scopes are local and global. In local, variables are accessed within the function. Global scope is accessing outside the function. Next one we have is the composition in functions. The value returned by function may be used as an argument for another function. This is called composition of function. What is recursive function? When a function call itself is known as recursive. Recursion works like loop, but sometimes it makes more sense to use recursion than loop. Condition applied in recursive function is called base condition. First one is, what is a string? String is a data type in Python. It is used to handle array of characters. It is a combination of letters, numbers or special symbols. It is enclosed within single, double and triple quotes. Each character has its own Unicodes. These are the example for string. It is given in single, double and triple quotes. Strings are immutable in Python. Next one we have is the string operators. The operators are concatenation, append, repeating, string slicing and stride slicing with string. First one is concatenation. Joining of two or more string is called concatenation. The plus operator is used to concatenate string. Let us see an example for concatenation. In this example, welcome plus Python is given. Using plus symbol, we can join two or more string. So the output will be welcome Python. Next one we have is the append string. Adding more string at the end of an existing string. The plus equal to operator is used to append a new string. Now look at this example. String 1 is given as welcome to. String 1 plus equal to learn Python. When you print string 1, both the string will be joined. Now output will be welcome to learn Python. Next one we have is the repeating operator. Multiplication operator is used to repeat string. Repeating is used to display a string in multiple number of times. Let us see an example for repeating string. It is given as str1 is equal to welcome. Print str1 into 3. The output will be welcome will be printed 3 times. Next one is string slicing. Slice is a substring of a main string. Substring can be taken from the original string by using square brackets. This square bracket is the operator for slicing string. Let us see an example for slicing string. In this example, string is given as Tirukkural. For slicing a single character from a string, print str1 subscript 0 is given. The output will be 0th character T. Second one, slicing a subscript from index 0 to 4. Here you have to give the starting and the end value. So the output will be Thiru. Next one is entering string without beginning index. Next one is entering the string without the end index. Next is stride when slicing a string. In a slicing operator, you can specify a third argument as a stride, which refer to the number of characters to move forward. The default value of stride is 1. You can also use negative value as stride. Hope you all understood. Thank you.